Hi, I'm Inder Bhetwar. I'm 39 years old from Mumbai. I am into LGBT business in the sense like I had opened a gay store in 2010 and he's my partner.
Hi, I'm Ashish Srivastava and I'm 32 years old. And I was born in Lucknow, but I was brought up elsewhere. For the past 8 years, we've been together here in Mumbai. I'm an IT professional that way.
Come February, and the world starts talking about one emotion that binds all: love. This Valentine's Day, the Times of India spoke to a not so regular couple for the society. Inder and Ashish shared their life experiences of being in a same sex relationship in India.
So this happened in 2012. Okay, so when he was planning to come to Bangalore for the Pride, but like he said that he opened the store in 2009, and there was a time when I was actually doing an internship in IT Bombay, and I was visiting the premises for 3 months, and at that point in time, it was all over media, like the story and how he's on the face of like on the face he's come up with this store. So I was very intrigued that, I had no idea who Inder was. I just knew about the store. I was staying with three other friends in Bangalore at that point in time, and this one guy used to write blogs. And he had written a blog for Inder about his store and stuff. So I told him that, I'll be visiting Mumbai. So just introduce us, so that I know who the person is, he knows who I am and stuff like that. So I told this to him in the morning, and in the evening I get the message. So I asked my friend, his name is Saurav. So I asked Saurav that, did you speak to Inder or did you speak to the owner of Tea Closet? So he's like, no. And I'm like, okay, this is coincidence. So something is happening, and that's how it picked up.
And around for my friends and people around, I knew that they'll be comfortable. For him,
Initially, yes, there was a little bit of friction, to be honest. And slowly and gradually, I started, sharing about him to my family, and gradually they came to an understanding, and then they like now we are in a much better place.
like now, we are looking to buy a house. Recently, we had gone to see a place and we asked them, like, can we do a paper clubbing together? And they're like, sir, no, you're not related to each other, so you can't do it. So, those small things, which a normal couple can be easy for them, which get difficult for us.
Like even at workplaces, medical benefits for the spouse that you get, I don't get that.
If he's traveling abroad, I can't go officially with him.
Yeah.
Exactly opposite building, he started screaming and giving bad words, and I was wondering, like, maybe he's fighting with somebody. So I went on the window to check, who's screaming, and he started abusing me and calling me all those names, homos and Jesus will take you and blah blah and all this stuff. Me being from Mumbai, and because of my preference, I've been asked to move out from that locality.
So these things, yeah, which I really want that it changes.
I think lots of kids have opening up to their family, to their parents, and those parents are getting focused and to know about the community. Earlier, a few years back, we were scared, like, to come out because of 377 and not to tell about our stuff to our family and everything. So lots of things are coming out and open, and because of that reason, lots of families are known about the LGBT issues, what may their son or their neighbor's son have going through or something.
For revoking 377, it was quite the battle, and that part is done. So yes, we are moving in the right direction. Is what we need to talk about right now is the pace that we are moving at, because our next fight would be for the rights that you're talking about, like for marriage equality, for adoption. I mean, we would want to adopt a child now. So surrogacy if possible. So there are a lot of other things that have now, other avenues that have come up that we need to speak about. But yes, there is a lot of progress that I've seen over the past 5 years for sure. So love for me holds a very special meaning. For me, love, when it comes to both of us, is in those little things that, that matter the most. So over the years, I've come to understand that love, it's like, being there for him and him being there for me. So that is what love is to me.
Love means no gender.
So now, when you ask this question, yes, we would love to get married, and I would really want to get married in India and not, elope to a different country and then get married over there.